Hi guys, my name is Darian. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be walking you through the microblading process. So I'm getting my brows done Saturday, so I'm just going to show you what the healing looks like and give my best review. So this is what they look like before anything, and I'll catch you on Saturday. So I just got my eyebrows done. They are a little red, but I'm obsessed. I am in phase 1 of the healing process, and as we can see, they are looking really red, really brassy, and it feels like there's a sunburn on my face. However, I will tune in tomorrow to see if any of the redness has gone down. Hey everyone, I just woke up. It's day 2, and this is what my eyebrows look like so far. I'm about to clean them because you're supposed to clean them twice a day and not get them wet. Just clean them and put the ointment on. So I'm gonna do that. Oh my gosh, you guys are the first thing I'm seeing in the morning. So I woke up like this. I woke up like this with my eyebrows. Still have to do my cleanser and ointment this morning. It's day 3. They're still a little brassy, if you can tell. But so far they are looking much better. Still no peeling or anything, but I'll see you tomorrow. Rise and shine. I'm exhausted. Day 4. And this is how the brows are doing. I still have like my little ointment on. I need to wash that off with my cleanser, but there's still no flaking, still a little bit of brassiness. Good morning, it's day 5. My eyebrows are looking amazing, amazing. I forgot to clean them last night, so that's on me. Still gotta clean them, still no flaking. I don't know, I'm really happy with how they look so far on day 5. Good morning. My eyebrows are like finally, I don't know if you can tell, starting to flake a little bit. And they're getting really itchy like throughout the day. Like I want to like itch them, but I can't. So that's frustrating. Also, I went to the gym the other day and like did step where I couldn't sweat because you're also not allowed to sweat. So like I'm really missing the gym right now. And yeah, that's where we're at. They are still doing well though, like I'm not gonna lie, they're not super flaky yet. So hopefully they don't flake. Some people don't flake, but I feel like I will. Good morning. My eyebrows are rather crusty. My skin is super dry. Like, ugh, my eyelash glue. I'm so crusty this morning. But we're still looking okay. I skipped yesterday, but today's day 8. They look very natural now. They've gone down a lot in color. But yeah. Good morning. It's day 9. As we can see, I put my ointment on already, but it like looks super patchy now. The color has faded. But according to this nifty little guide that my amazing eyebrow lady gave me, which I'll tag her below so you guys can all get your brows done by her, on day 8 to 10, my brows are gonna look light, but it's normal. So it says around day 14, the color is gonna come back, and I'm gonna get my touch up here in the next few weeks. So I'm really looking forward to it. I'm still in love, even if they're looking like a little patchy and whatnot. Hey guys, day 16. This is the last day I'm gonna update for the brows. As we can see, they're completely healed, looking super natural. They're really light. I kind of like them when they were darker in the healing process. However, I'm gonna go get my touch up and we can fix that a little bit. The final color doesn't come till the end of the touch up. I'm super happy, so thank you, Jody, and make sure you follow her and check her out on Instagram. And if you have any questions, concerns, or comments about the healing process or microblading in general, I'll try my best to help you out. So go ahead and comment below or message me on Instagram. Thanks for watching. Bye.